This is Medico Prime, the correct way to learn. Now we are going to see about the contributors of the microbiome who had made very important histories in the table of microbiology. History of microbiology started with Anton van Leeuwenhoek, who had discovered a single lens microscope and named the organism seen through it as little animal cube. He is the first person who discovered the microscope ever. Then we are going to see about Edward Jenner, who developed the first vaccine of the world, which had been derived from the cowpox virus for the smallpox. We are going to see about the father of microbiology, who is nothing but the great Louis Pasteur. He has many contributions to microbiology. He had proposed the principle of fermentation for preservation of food, like the pasteurization technique. He introduced the sterilization technique and developed steam sterilizers, autoaeroben and autoclaves. He developed the method of pasteurization of milk, which had been used till now by all over the world to pasteurize milk. He had also contributed for designing the vaccines against several diseases such as anthrax, fowl cholera, and rabies. He disproved the theory of spontaneous generation of diseases. He postulated the germ theory of disease. He stated that the disease cannot be caused by bad air or vapor, but it is produced by the microorganisms present in the air. The liquid media concept, which is used to culture the broths with nutrient broths to grow microorganisms, is also discovered by him. And our father of antiseptic surgery came. He is called the Joseph Lister, who used carbolic acid during surgery as an antiseptic for the cleaning of the surgery equipments. Our Robert Koch, our Robert Koch came then. He had numerous remarkable contributions in the field of microbiology. He used solid media for bacteria culture by using agar as a solidifying agent. The agar has no nutritional value, which is a CU. He also introduced methods of isolation of bacteria in pure culture. He described hanging drop method for testing utility of the bacteria and other microorganisms. He discovered bacteria such as anthrax bacilli, tuberculosis bacilli, and Vibrio cholerae bacilli. He introduced staining techniques by using aniline dye. He is famous for his phenomenon and the postulates. Both were considered as the milestones in microbiology. According to Koch's phenomenon, Robert Koch observed that guinea pigs had already infected with tuberculosis bacilli, developed a hypersensitivity reaction when injected with tuberculosis bacilli or its protein. It is called his phenomenon. According to Koch's postulates, a microorganism can be acceptable as a causative agent of the infectious disease only if the following conditions are fulfilled. The microorganism should be constantly associated with the lesions of the disease. It should be possible to isolate the organism in pure culture from the lesion of the disease. The same disease must result when the isolated microorganism is inoculated into a suitable laboratory animal. It should be possible to re-isolate the organ in pure culture from the lesions produced in the same experimental animal. An additional fifth criterion was introduced subsequently, which states that antibody to the causative organism should be demonstrable in the patient's serum. Exceptions of post postulates also there, because some organisms having the only host as human. So they have no animal models. And then some organisms won't grow in the artificial liquid medias. They are the Neisseria gonorrhea, Mycobacterium leprae, and Treponema pallidum.